I'm putting new rear turn signals on my Kawasaki Vulcan EN500 motorcycle. Yes, it needs a bath. It's been sitting for a long time. This is a project bike I bought. It was sitting for many years. It hasn't been ridden in quite some time. The last registration sticker that was on it was 2012. Anyway, I'm putting some new turn signals on the back. I'll do the front ones later. These are good quality turn signals. I got these on Amazon.com, and I have a link to them on my Facebook page, Kawasaki Vulcan EN500 motorcycle repair. I'll include a link to the page in the comments below the video. But these turn signals go on pretty easy. There's Bale, my Rottweiler. So on the back it's just a nut and a washer. The original nut and washer fits right on the new turn signal. I had to feed the wires through the hole, which was pretty easy. Now the wire that comes on them is pretty long, and it's got these plug-in ends on it. It feeds up under the rear fender. They both do on the sides. The turn signal wires feed up through there. Now when I got this bike, there was no rear turn signals on it. And the wires were cut. I want to feed it through. I think the easiest way would be to tape the new wire to the old wire and then pull it through from the other end. It comes out up here under the seat, close to the battery compartment. It pulls through here and it connects right here. And it's got these waterproof covers on it. And the other one is simply on the other side right there. Alright, so installation's very easy. They're nice, shiny, clean. It's a good quality turn signal at a good price. Alright, I've taped the new wire to the old wire with electrical tape, and I'm going to try to pull it through, feed it through. I'm going to have to set the camera down because it's going to take two hands. Alright, I got it through. It came through real easy. That was surprisingly easy. It came through surprisingly easily. Alright, I got the black tape peeled back off the end. There they are. And they just plug in. They've already got waterproof connectors on the bike. Let me put this camera down for a minute. And plug these in. Right. Got one. Got the other. Okay, so the turn signal installation was very easy. The wire's a little bit long. I can kind of loop this and tuck it in. Back here, it's got a bit of extra length. But there's room in the bike here to tuck it in. It's a simple plug-and-play installation. A nut and a washer to attach the turn signal. Feed the wire up through this hole by taping it to the other one and pulling it through. Unplug the old one, plug in the new one. Now my wire is hanging down a little bit. It just tucks up above the fender. It just tucks up in there. Real easy. And that's it. Here's the new waterproof connections for my turn signal. There's a little bit of exposed metal there I can wrap with electrical tape. No biggie. Thank you for watching.